Now, if you're having some problems with using Robinhood here with their 6-digit code and the debit card is not working, well, there are a few things that you may want to do here to fix this problem. So, the first thing that you want to do is you want to check your account and card activation. So start by checking your Robinhood app to see if your debit card is active and your account balance is fine. Now, if the card isn't activated, complete the setup in your account settings before using it again. So, in this case, you want to go and just check that first. So, next is you want to look for the 6-digit code. So, when linking your debit card, Robinhood sends a small verification charge that includes a 6-digit code in your bank transaction description. Now, open the bank app and look for that code. It usually appears as something as RH followed by numbers. Now, what if the code hasn't shown up? Here, some banks take a bit longer to post that change. So if you don't see it right away, give it up to a day before trying again. So it's normal for the code to take time to appear depending on your bank. And also, you want to make sure your card information like the number, expiration date, and CVV is entered correctly. Robinhood only works with Visa or MasterCard debit cards from the US banks, so prepaid or debit cards won't link properly. Also, you want to look through your recent transactions for any failed or duplicate charges. So that then check your Robinhood tab, check settings to make sure everything is up to date. Especially if you recently change your bank or card. Also, you may want to update your Robinhood app. Now, an updated app version can cause verification errors, so head over to App Store or Google Play Store, install the latest update to ensure everything runs smoothly. And finally, you may want to contact Robinhood support. Now, if nothing works, reach out to Robinhood support. So they are available 24/7 by phone or through the in-app help center, where you can request a callback or chat directly with an agent to fix the issue. But that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.